think we just learn at TES? You be the judge.
At TES, we build confidence. Do this. At TES, we create. At TES, we read Quran and follow the Sunnah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. At TES, we play. At TES, we ask questions. How is the human brain better than the other animals?
Yeah, so the human brain has definite two higher qualities than other animals.
At TES, we compete.
TES, we need football.
Alhamdulillah was the comment, but about living a life that reflects appreciation to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in all we do. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Ibrahim,
At TES, we laugh.
so it's not me who, he.
At TES, we make friends.
TES, we teach.
Basically, the formula for area is length times width, and to find the area is S.
At TES, we pray.
At TES, we embrace the future with open eyes. So join us through the skit to show you how.